Hi, welcome back. Yes, welcome back. Today we'll be talking about time frames, and then time frame is very, very important in Forex because it helps you optimize your trading experience. I mean, for some people, I know if you're familiar with trading, you might have heard of scalpers, swing traders, day traders, and all that. The difference between all these type of traders is just the time frames they trade, right? So, if you look at the top of my screen, this place where I click on, you see the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minutes, and then up to 24 hours. What it basically means is that this is the 10 minutes time frame. What it basically means is that every single candle on this chart was formed in 10 minutes. This candle here is the price movement for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. And it's the same thing if you go to the other time frame. This is 4 hours, right? Yes. So now we're on the 4 hour time frame. So it means every candle here, this one single candle here was formed in 4 hours. I mean, for 4 hours, price danced around this point. We learned about candlestick the last time. So let's say price opened here, and then after 4 hours, price closed here. I think if you look at the bottom of my screen from where I'm holding, you see Wednesday, 31st December, 12 o'clock, and then at this point, you see, uh, let me see, Hmm. Wednesday, 31st December, 4 o'clock. That's 4 hours after, right? Between 12 and 4. So it took exactly 4 hours for this candle to be formed. This is the open, this is the close, and this is the week, as discussed the last time. So one of the most peculiar things about candlesticks is that for beginner traders, sorry, excuse me, for beginner traders, some of us don't have money to trade on the higher time frame because you see the same candle that you see on these 4 hours, the same candle you see on 10 minutes, the same candle. And I need to put this out there. Small time frame takes price to the big time frame. Anything you see that happens on the big time frame has first of all happened here, has first of all happened on the small time frame. So one of the advantages of getting all the time frames, getting equipped with necessary information about all the time frames is that you can get into trades early. Now I'll show you an example. Let's say let's say we're going to trade from this point. Let's say we're going to trade from this point and we want to sell down to this point. I want to sell down to this point here. You see, because this is the 4 hour time frame, and for some reason you're waiting for all this to form for you to get your confirmation. You're going to wait for a minimum of 4 hours for this candle to form. Whereas this candle, this particular candle here, if you mark this candle, let's mark it for the sake of this class. So follow me. If you mark, reduce the opacity so it is transparent a little bit. If you mark this candle here on the 4 hour time frame and you go to something like maybe the 1 hour, that candle represents four candles. Represent four candles. Yes, let's locate it. Right. Okay, you see, we marked one candle and now we can see numerous candles. Yes. So we have this one doesn't count because we have to extend into other candles. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start from this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 candles. One candle on the 4 hour time frame, 4 candles here. You might have probably seen something. But if we go to a lower time frame, let's say 10 minutes. Let's say 10 minutes. It's coming. Yes. Good. Yes, there's a lot of candles in that same one candle that we marked on the 4 hour. I mean, a lot of candles. So you see, all these have happened. You probably want to trade on the 4 hour time frame, and that's all right too. But that move that you're waiting for, I don't know how long to enter. Somebody will enter from here like this and take it all the way down. Let's see. Probably ride it all the way down here. I know this looks crazy. This is a 24 risk to reward ratio, but I mean, you get the check, you get it, you get what I'm trying to say. It allows for you trading from the small to, okay, this was the point I targeted before. Let's see, this is a 32 hour trade. Now, most of the times I would not advise this type of trade, but You see, if you were on the 4 hour time frame, you will never take that kind of trade. What gives you the indication to take that type of trade here? Nothing. Nothing. This is just two candles standing side by side. How do you know that this thing will not go up? But on the lower time frame, you can say you can get into the move early. You hear guys say sniper entry, sniper entry. You can only achieve that from the lower time frame. But you need the higher time frame to get the direction of the market. The only reason why I will sell at that point is because I have seen that market is moving down. You can see market started from here, came down, this. But structure is for another day. Yeah, structure is for another day. The point is you need to learn about time frames. You need to learn how to use multi time frames. I mean, this movement, market doesn't go in a straight line. You see, there's movement here and then a retracement and then this and then this and then this. But you see all these movements I are seeing here on the lower time frame. There are, let's say, 15-minute time frame. There are a lot of things that are happening there. So you might not see opportunities to get into the trade at this point, but on lower time frame there will be numerous and numerous opportunities, a lot of opportunities to get into the trade. I mean, see how many candles are here. See, before the thing got to the TP, see how many. You could have sold from this point, sold from this point, sold from this point. There are so many places you can sell from, you know. So that's one of the beautiful things about multi-time frame analysis. See, this point probably is one red candle on the 4 hour time frame, and there's so many places here, so many price movements here. You know, that's one of the beautiful things about multi-time frame analysis. But this is just an intro course to time frame, and in coming videos, talk about time frame, how it intersects with structure and candlestick. See you there.